Good day to you, viewers. I'm discussing exclusive breastfeeding today. What is exclusive breastfeeding? Exclusive breastfeeding means that an infant receives only breast milk and no other liquids or solid, not even water, for the first 6 months after birth. Breast milk is the only best food you can give your baby in the first 6 months of life. There are a lot of misconceptions about this, and I will need to educate you on it, because you need to appreciate that breast milk is the only best food you can give your baby in the first 6 months of life. No water, no liquid, no any other solids. Correcting the misconception: the baby will not be thirsty as many believe, because breast milk contains over 80% of water. The breast milk that is called colostrum is not dirty. The color is light yellow because it is the first form of milk produced for 2 to 5 days after delivery, and it is rich in antibodies and fats, and so it is best for your baby. So you need to appreciate the fact that colostrum is not dirty and that your baby will not be thirsty as many people believe. The breast milk contains all the nutrients the baby needs at the appropriate portion. What are the benefits of exclusive breastfeeding to the child? It contains all the nutrients in their correct amount, including water, and that makes it an adequate diet for your baby in the first 6 months of life. Breast milk is easily digested and efficiently used up by the body, so you don't need formula. Breast milk is the best for your baby. Breast milk contains elements which help to protect the baby against infection. The first milk is called colostrum, which is particularly rich in antibodies, and that is why it is best for your baby. Breastfed babies enjoy some protections from allergies, emotional and social support from their mother. Yes, by the time you breastfeed, you cuddle your baby, and it provides a kind of emotional support that your baby cannot get even when using formula or you are using bottle feeding. Breastfed babies respond to vaccine and recovers faster from illness. This is another important benefit exclusive breastfeeding gives to your child. Benefits of exclusive breastfeeding to the mother. 1. It prevents excessive bleeding after delivery, which is contributing to the reduction of anemia, which is a wonderful benefit. It promotes the return of uterus to the normal state, and so the woman can gain back her figure 8 shape. It reduces the chance of infection of the uterus due to shortened bleeding period. It also helps women to get a shape back, as I've said earlier. It helps to prevent full and sore breast and other breast problems. When you breastfeed enough, then you can prevent this. Can be used as a family planning method, and I want you to note, only for the first 6 months. And you should also note that it is not 100% safe method, especially after 6 months. Another benefit is that it reduces the workload of feeding the baby. You will not need to go out there and carry bottles of water, flasks, and all the rest. No, it reduces your workload. You don't need to wash anything. The only thing is to wash your nipple and the breast, and the baby is good to go. It reduces worry about milk spoiling or non-availability. It is natural. God has provided it, and it is best for your baby. Lastly, it reduces the risk of breast and ovarian cancer. Very, very important. You can reduce the risk of breast and ovarian cancer. Some people believe that if they don't breastfeed, then the shape of their breast is still maintained. No, whether you breastfeed or not, the shape of your breast cannot be maintained, and that is why it's best for you to give your baby the best. Benefits of exclusive breastfeeding even to the society. You will understand that the cost of medical care during illness are reduced because the baby are well breastfed and they are able to, to prevent infection. So the cost of going to the hospital is reduced. The cost of feeding the baby is also reduced. No need of buying milk formula or feeding equipment. You get it naturally. And lastly, there's a better environment as there is less waste as mothers throw away feeding bottles and their teeth. You will not need all of these things any longer. You will not need all of these things any longer if you are breastfeeding. You will not need to buy containers, you will not need to buy flasks. All that is best for your baby is breast milk. This is how far I can go today. See you next time on this same platform when I will be discussing the 10 steps to successful initiation of breastfeeding. You can contact me for your questions or counseling on 080 6088 5806. Bye.